What's up, guys? Adam Steele, Warhouse Gym, previewing the War Machine, the Pec Fly, the Juggernaut. This is Melanie, the Valkyrie, Battle Angel, as you know her. She's gonna help us demonstrate how to operate the Juggernaut. So this is one cool thing. Go ahead and show us some basic chest flies. This machine does not need a whole lot of weight. It has consistent resistance through the entire movement of the range of motion, the full range. It does not drop off at the top. You do not lose it at 15%. You do not lose it at all. You can even cross your body, because one cool thing she can show you is how she can pivot, not only that, into an immediate incline position because of the ball joints on the ends of the interior arms. Check it out. This is super awesome because you get amazing stretch, good resistance. You do not need to load a lot of weight on the Juggernaut. This is a superior chest fly movement, and you can also come down for a little bit lower pivot. Boom. One good thing on here I'd like to point out is that it has the adjustable seat with multiple positions for the pin, so you can actually raise the seat and get a very declined stretch and target on the chest area. So we designed this and I built it to replace the Arsenal Strength and several other models of the chest plated fly. So come check it out, see what's good, all right? Find out why this thing is the fucking best. The Warhouse Gym.